caulk above these cabinets. The MDF, it's cracking. See up here. I'll show you in a second. And up here. It's running out of battery, so I went downstairs. Bought this. This goes in here. And we can charge. The show must go on. Okay, so as you can see above these cabinets, we have a number of gaps that we need to fill. And I'm going to show you how to do that. You'll need a caulking gun, a tube of a gap filler. Don't use silicone because you can't paint silicone. And you will need a wet rag, which I have here. So first, we're going to cut the nozzle. Cut the end off here carefully, away from the body. And then you screw the nozzle on. I don't cut my tips on an angle. I don't really need to do that. Okay, let's pop it in. You really want to keep like a bit of a wet finger while you do it. You start somewhere, wait for it to come out. You don't want to try and gap too much without wiping it off, especially if you're working in the sun. You gotta make sure these edges really smooth, because when it dries and you paint it, that's what you're gonna get. Yeah, that's pretty smooth. I'll give you a close-up of that. See how we finished nicely. No excess anywhere, no ripples. Right the way along. You can't see where I started and stopped. And And that is how you caulk something. You do caulking or normal gapping, or whatever you want to call it.